So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record your record your desktop screen using VLC Media Player. Now, in order to do it, just simply click on the media option right there, and here you'll see this option of Open Capture Device. Just simply click over there. Now, under here, you simply need to select the capture mode to desktop right there, and select the frame to I would say recommended frames are 60. And here, just simply click on this arrow mark option and click on this option of convert. Now once you do it, it will ask you to uh, browse the destination option from here as well. Now once you do it, for example, if I select this location as my destination, now just simply hit on the option of start and your screen will start to recording just by using VLC Media Player. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.